We are live. This is the scheduled stream. Oh my god. This is a scheduled stream. We're gonna be making money. Okay. It is a Monday for sure. I can't speak at all. Welcome to the stream. Scheduled stream. Making Monday. Making money Monday. Okay. All right, let me try again. It's a scheduled stream. It's Making Money Monday. 187 streams deep. This is 4 streams in a row. We got this, guys. I believe in us. We're gonna do it. Okay? Tomorrow could be Tongue Twister Tuesday. Yes, Sherman, thank you. I think that's every day for me. Boom. Transition. Boom. We got the hue. Although it blocked, my hand instantly blocks the hue. This is terrible production crew here. We got the lantern hue. See that right there? Oh, it's this hand. So it's not this hand that blocked it. It's this hand. Anyway, we got the lightning hue. Let the light. I'm just gonna turn the camera off. We're all done for the day. We are on a mission. I'm joking that I'm gonna stream every day, but I'm also not joking. You know what I'm saying? Because I was joking with my wife, like, hey, can I do 7 hours on Sunday? And she was like, and I was like, no, but like, can we do 6 hours on Sunday? Can we do 66 minutes on Sunday? And we spent like the morning talking about it, and I was like, hey, let's just do it, right? So we did 7 hours yesterday. We're gonna do 2 hours today. Now tomorrow is the tricky time. Tomorrow, I'm gonna stream tomorrow. I just need to find out when. It's kind of, I need to like either wake up super early and do it before I go to work, or do it before I go to sleep, but it's gonna be like a super late start. What do you guys think? Should I wake up early or should I stay up late? It's got to be like non-kid time, non-family time. You know what I'm saying? So we're going to have a little bit of sacrifice. It's like a Tuesday sacrifice. Anyway, we got this. Sherburne, thank you for coming to the stream. Chase K, hello. Skate Nomad. We all need to make money. Let's go. I agree. 4 for 4 says pocketed. Hello. Damn, we're talking production, says Fisticuffs. Exactly. Look at this. Lantern hue. Some people aren't getting them. I'm getting them in real life. They're dropping all around here. Boom. You guys want a Darkmire one? Although somebody said this was a shelter island. I'm pretty sure this is more like a shelter island one. But we got that back here in the background. Let's put it so you can see it. There. I'm 2 hours behind you. No way in hell I'm waking up that early. Perfect, Guy Valor. So I'll just do it at nighttime. I literally just bought my daughter that camp set. Well, it's a small world around here. Okay. So we're going to start off with answering some questions. Guy Valor asked me a question earlier, and it could use a little bit of detail. So we're going to go over that right now. I do want to make like a literal video about it, but to answer the most recent question, I'm just gonna copy what you had, and we're gonna paste it in. We're gonna go over here. We're gonna go stream question. We're gonna say new __. One with already that name exists. Let me do it again. __. There we go. We're gonna paste this in, okay? And the question was about. Let me make sure that this looks okay on the stream here. Let me zoom in like I did before. I actually liked when we answered the question the other day about how to do a heal script. I actually really liked that. I don't know who was here for that, but I kind of set it up very nicely in my brain, because then I thought, wow, this is like a good, because you could see the code and then you could see the character. Right? I don't know. Anyway, so the question he had was about like this hops variable. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Okay. And what I was going to say is when you cast the variable over here, technically that variable only exists inside this if statement unless it's part of your XML file. Oh, kind of weird. So most of the time, if you want to use a variable outside of the if statement, you want to set it to something else, right? So you want to actually set it in here. You want to like set var like hops, okay? And you'll set it to 0 by default. My phone's ringing. Why is my phone ringing? Spam call. Getting some spam. The bots are hitting me in real life now, guys. We'll cut that out of the stream. Cut it out. Anyway, so like we'll set var hops here. And then instead of like naming it hops, you want to, I would personally just do, like as item. But inside of here, you can set hops as item. Okay? Because now you have this variable called hops, and it's cast to this particular find. Right? And then later on, you can say if hops is equal to 0 and if overhead, we didn't have any hops. Okay? I'm going to stop the script just right here, and I'm going to hit save and play. It should say we don't have any hops. Wow. We didn't have any hops here. Does that make sense? And Jace, do you have to have this set hops 0 here? I don't think you have to, but whenever I'm using variables, I like to set them somewhere. That way I know they're at least available, if that makes sense. Does that make sense? Yeah, but español. Jace, can you use AI to make a 3D rendering model of your UO paper doll and print us up action figures? I would love that, Chase K. That would be great. Wouldn't it be cool to sell like little things? Look at this hue in real life, this Palma Lantern hue that's just glowing on my face unless I put my hand right here. God, it's so good. Anyway, Guy Valor, does this make sense? Or am I crazy? Right, I'm thinking I had to rare. I cannot speak today. Holy shit! I'm gonna take a sip of water. Probably gonna choke on it. Sideshow Jad, let's get these likes going, folks. Thank you for saying that. Appreciate you. Good day, sir. Says Control Delirious. Is it? I want to say Weasel. 42. Hello. What script are we writing? We were just answering a question about variables existing or not. So see, like down here, we did the as honey. Technically, honey won't exist outside of this unless you already had a variable named honey. So in order to make sure honey always exists, I would do it like this. Set var honey as item. See? And now honey will always exist. Because before, if you try to use honey outside of here, then it may or may not work. It just depends on what's in memory at the time. So after setting the var hops to item, I'll be able to use the word hops later in the Gumped response. 100%. Yes. Yeah, you're forcing this variable to exist. Jace is making honey out of nothing, which is on the bee theme. By the way, my wife, we had bees in our house overnight. My wife scooped up all those bees from yesterday and had them in our house in a cage, in like a little, bug cage. And she released them today in between the rainstorm. slow down, Jace. I do need to slow down. What's your question? Aren't you just initializing the variable? Yeah, so again, if I was only using hops inside this if statement, I don't need hops here. Like I would never need this. And I could just use as item inside of here. But if for some reason you want to like use this variable multiple times, I would set it like this. I would set it to default to 0. That way when you run it at first, it's 0. And then you could like reset it up. And then the other thing that we talked about was like set var. As a matter of fact, let's just cover it now. Set var. Var name. Okay. All right, new question answer. With set var set name, set var, and how it works, We're gonna zoom in like even more. Shouldn't that stop be inside the if statement? Oh yes, I'm sorry. Yeah, if that was just for an example, but you're absolutely right. If you wanted it to stop because you didn't have any hops, you would add it inside of here. 100% right. Good catch. Okay, so set var name, you know? So like Jaseowns subscribe button, okay? Because you should click that button. And I'm gonna put stop down here, like pretend there's nothing else inside the script, okay? If I run this script, it's gonna ask me to select a variable, okay? If I hit play, it's down here in the bottom left, and it's like, hey, this was not found. Create an Dorian. You're interrupting my shit. I'm just kidding. I'm so mad right now. I'm such a mad streamer. Dorian. Thank you for the raid. My bad. Okay, so Kick Rock Solo, where are your Shadow Age scripts? Dude, they disabled it. Saw you shoot that's the trolls. Yeah, no, so I was on Reborn. Okay, I went on to Reborn. I gotta check out what it is. Every time a new server comes out, you gotta check it out, everybody. I'm not married to one server, okay? I get around. I'm married to one wife. I'm not married to one UO server. I'm a hooker when it comes to that. I'll be playing anybody that shows up. You know what I'm saying? So anyway, we're gonna go back to what I was talking about here. But on Shadow Age Reborn, they were having some stability issues. So when I first started playing, I couldn't play. I was so mad. And so then they moved to AWS, and that's now resolved pretty much. I mean, when they do a world save, it's still pretty a little iffy. But it's based on the Age of Shadows client, and I never really got into Age of Shadows, so I don't know. Like, there's skills like focus and is it mysticism or spell weaving? I don't know. There's a bunch of different shit there that I have no clue what it does. So I was playing it a little bit today, checking it out. And then I ran into Dorian, who was stealing all my kills. The only thing with Reborn is they disabled Razor. You can't do Razor scripts. So it's kind of like the whole point of me playing is Razor scripting. And they fucking turned it off. So, you know? Any easy UO? I mean, that's the thing. I'm sure you could do other stuff. I was telling this in Dorian's stream. If I need to hit install, I'm sorry, if I hit install, I'm gonna use whatever comes with the install. I don't want to have to go download another program, cheat the system, update an IP address so it like logs into the correct thing. If I'm going in to edit XML files, I want it to be because the XML is just my character and not like how you play the game. Like, you know what I mean? Like, I don't want to have to bypass the client in order to play. Like UO Alive, when I play UO Alive, it was just Razor enhanced instantly, right? when I played Overdrive, it lets you choose enhanced or regular razor. I like that. With Reborn, you only hit play and it loads up a razor that has scripts disabled. And I don't want to like have to go around and try to figure out how to set that shit up, even though Dorian sent me how to do it. It was a short test. Exactly. The problem is I'm addicted to UO, so like I'll probably still like go check it out, you know? Anyway, thanks for the raid, Dorian. You guys are coming over from Reborn. We're over here. I'm going to teach you guys a lesson about how Razor works. So it does apply to other servers. Except for Reborn, as I just said, because it's fucking, they canceled it. They canceled Razor scripting over there. Ah. All right, anyway. So with set var, when you save and play this, it popped up a little thing and it said, hey, this Jaseowns subscribe button was not found. We're going to create a new variable for it. Select your target for a Jaseowns subscribe button. And then I canceled. I never hit anything else. Where did that variable go? It actually went into our options. If I scroll down here, well, maybe it did. It should have. Maybe it didn't save because I canceled it. I'm gonna hit play. Save, play. Okay, so it wants me to select it before. So see how it says it's not found again. It says it's not found. So I'm gonna click myself. Boom. And then it got another system message that it says, hey, this button is now updated. So if I go to this options tab now and I scroll down, this Jaseowns subscribe button now exists in the XML options. Okay? So this is now a variable. If I run another script, it can use this variable because it exists. So like, let's comment out the set bar and I get to say overhead Jaseowns subscribe button and it will be the value that we saved it as. So far, so good. Anyway, what happens is, and maybe I'm not describing this good. The video will be better, guys. I'm sorry. This is a live thing. I didn't fucking figure out what I'm gonna say. But anyway, if you remember, it outputs like, hey, this button, it doesn't exist. If you do an @ symbol at the beginning, if I hit save and play, it still wants me to select a variable, and I'll click myself, but it no longer like outputted the Jaseowns subscribe button variable was updated to this shit. So this @ symbol suppresses the system message. If that makes sense. So if I hit save and play here, again, it's still gonna ask me to set it, but after I click it, it doesn't say anything. If you don't have the @ symbol, it will output what you clicked. So far, so good. Fritz was taken. What the hell is this? Jaseowns 3 days in a row? Hell, this is 4 days in a row. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. We're going tomorrow as well. Tuesday. I'm going to stream every day until I don't. But the main schedule is Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 7 to 9. Anyway. So. The other way you can set a variable is with a bang, with the exclamation mark, okay? Now, if I go over here and I remove this Jaseowns subscribe button, remove. This no longer exists. And if I hit save and play, it's gonna create a new variable, and then I'm gonna click myself. If I go over to options, it exists right here. If I log out, I don't think it's gonna be there. I'm pretty sure. And if it is, then I'm just ignore everything I just said. I'm pretty sure it won't be there. I want to confirm that it's not gonna be there. Because if it's there, then I'm a silly goose. Am I a silly goose? Options. Scroll down. It's still there. What the fuck? Maybe it's only not there when I do... Look at me. I'm answering my own... I'm asking myself own... As I'm As I'm explaining how shit works, I'm asking questions to myself. I'm the best teacher. Could you imagine like signing up for a class with me and I'm like, here's like 2 + 2 = 4. But sometimes 2 + 2 = 5. Maybe it only doesn't set it if you set it like this. Maybe this is my problem. Maybe I'm mixing up 2 ideas. I've removed the variable down there. I'm gonna hit save and play here. And now it shouldn't exist. Okay. So okay. Great, we just did it together. If you get no matter what, if you use a bang, if you use the bang character, but you don't give it a value, it creates the variable. Okay? So if you use the bang, but you don't set it as something, then you're doing it wrong. If you do it like this, 34, and I hit save and play, it's not updating the XML list because it's a bang. I'm gonna ignore everything I just said. Ignore. I'm gonna make this a YouTube video. It's gonna be a lot better, I swear. The YouTube, you guys are getting behind the scenes. You're getting making sure my YouTube video is just freaking locked down. It's gonna be like, wow, this is the masterclass I've always wanted. You guys are getting like how the sausage is made right now, and it's ugly. Okay, it's ugly. Anyway. So once you set it this way, it puts it in the XML so it doesn't ask you each time. Exactly, yeah. So the whole point is when you use set var with some value, like this, it's going to save to your XML file. See, O.x22 happens to be the variable 34. I don't know. It's hexadecimal. Anyway, so if I remove that variable and I come back over here and I hit save and play, again, it saves it to your XML file. If I do the @ and bang and I hit save and play, that variable still exists in my XML options, okay? But if I change it, it doesn't update the XML file, it's only in memory. This is what I want to say. This is where you run into problems, because sometimes if you set a variable like this, and then you go to use it, like later on after you restart your client, and you thought it was 344, it's actually still 22. You know, like after we reset, it's gonna be 22. Does that make sense? Does any of this make sense? Anyway, so in a lot of my scripts, I want to always set it with the bang and then a default value so it never gets put into memory and it's very quick. For example, let's set a timer. We're going to set a timer and it's going to be this Jaseowns subscribe timer. Okay. And we're going to set it to 0. And then we're going to overhead how long it took to set this variable. Timer, and we'll say like this. This is a quick little way we can debug some goodies. If I hit save and play here, it took 6 milliseconds, 5 to 6 milliseconds to set this variable. If I get rid of the bang, I hit save and play, it takes almost double the amount of time. It's taking up to, it takes double the amount of time. And that's because it's writing to the XML file. So if you do just set var with a default value, you're potentially, depending on how many times you do it, you're actually adding a lot of overhead to your script that doesn't need to be there, right? Even like, and I was talking about this with the MageBot. With the MageBot, I have all those variables up at the top that get asked. I'm gonna pull it up here 1 second. You have a website, Jace? I sure do. It's uorazorscripts.com. God, I'm all over the place. Anyway, if you go to the MageBot, all of these set bars are 6 seconds, right? Or 6 milliseconds. So 6 milliseconds, 6 milliseconds, all of these variables, like, so when I'm setting all this shit, even though it's in memory and it's really fast, I'm wasting so many milliseconds just even getting to the script. You know what I'm saying? That's why I want to make the script on the website to only load variables that you actually need. And if we do it properly, we can set it up so you only set the variables one time. And then when you're actually playing the game, it doesn't need to continuously execute that shit that it doesn't care about. Does that make sense? Am I taking crazy pills? We fixed it a little bit in the autodexer because at the top here, we set all the variables, which is fine. But then we go into like a while not dead loop, okay? So this one's a lot better because it only sets the variables once. And then as you're playing, it doesn't have to recalculate that shit. I'm gonna let it marinate for a second. Even my cups are blue. What is up with this? Is there a theme in my room is blue? My cup is blue. My lantern's blue. I mean, not this one. Not this real life drop. But, you know? I'm blue. I'm Anita, but fisticuffs. I didn't fix the alerts yet. They're still using not Jace elements. I'm learning nothing about something I may never use and loving every minute. Let him cook, chat. Thank you for your $5 donation. I appreciate you. Andy's coming in with the bang. Okay, let me just scroll up real quick. While we let that marinate, let me just scroll through chat real quick. Three days in a row? No, 4 days in a row. Once you set it up, yep. Is there a way to script mining to swing the pickaxe as fast as it will allow them manually clicking the axe? I've experimented delays, can't achieve it. That's Chase, that's my miner script, dude. It goes as fast as humanly possible.
And a roll is a roll. And if we don't get no tolls, then we don't eat no rolls.
Him learning nothing about something I may never use and loving every minute.
Thank you.
Let him cook, chat.
Let him cook, chat. Thank you. Thank you for your donation. JSK, the mining script, did I ever post it? That might be a premium script, but it's the fastest one you're ever gonna, it's so fast. Airman, I'm so lost. Did I get here late? He's on the tangent while teaching Razor script. I'm not on a tangent, Kick Rocks. Hi, all says, Dala UQ. Short bus rider. Even if you're on time, you still be lost, just like me, so true. King of finishing. Gonna make a coherent YouTube video. Exactly. Control Alt Delirious. This is my year. Now I know what you're talking about, banging. Okay, fair enough. Great team, just got here. We'll see you from the start later. No problem. Welcome to the stream. A bunch of digits. Blue balls, appreciate you. We got Ask Chopper coming in here. Holy shit. Ask Chopper with the donation even. Thank you, Ask Chopper. Keep up the good work. When we had a website, people got into scripting just because of UO and have contacted me since saying that you're using those skills in their career and coders now. You've inspired a whole new generation to do it again. Kudos. Yes. Thank you. That's what it's all about.
Toll is a toll.
Oh, it's popping through.
Roll is a roll. And if we don't get no tolls, then we don't eat no rolls.
Keep up the good work. When we hit the website, people got into scripting just because of UO and have contacted me since to saying they're using those skills in their career as coders. Now you're inspiring a whole new generation to do it again. Kudos.
Kudos. We need to fix that voice. Kudos. Thank you for the kudos. I appreciate it. Ask Chopper, your website was awesome too. I never got to get into it because I didn't know much about it. And I wasn't good back in the day when I was 12. But I definitely saw your website. I think it's cool. It's good seeing your name. My personal journey was I learned HTML as a 12-year-old to post screenshots of the people I killed in UO on the GeoCities webpage. And now I'm a web developer. That was my first forte into web development, and that's how I have a career. I have a career because of UO. So same thing with you. It's cool seeing people get into scripting about UO and then they get into the tech field. So owned via by Bonnie. Yeah, exactly. My house sign was owned via by Bonnie because I didn't know what via meant. I didn't know via and by were the same thing. So my house sign was owned via by Bonnie. I was dumb back then. I still am dumb. Wait, what's this about premium scripts now? I mean, you know, red-headed stranger. If you want to support the channel, feel free. And if you support the channel, you get first dibs into some scripts. That's really what it's about. It's in the Discord channel. Wait, how do I support you, Jace? It's exclamation marks. Yeah, exclamation mark support. I really don't want to turn on affiliate on Twitch because then there's ads. I really don't want to have the ad thing going on. But a lot of people have been bothering me that they want to give me their Bezos bucks, as Jester calls it, the Bezos bucks. So I might turn it on, but then I feel like I don't know. I hate it. I don't. You want to earn Jace points though. That's true. We would get the Jace points. Damn it. Dorian has no ads. Well done, sir. People leave when they get an ad. Take my Bezos. Exactly. Angry Beard 82, because Angry Beard 81 was taken. Thank you for your follow. Okay. So we I have ads because I'm broken. I mean, I do ads on both. Like, I turn on ads after, like on YouTube. When I'm live streaming, I have the ads off. And then once I post it, like once the video's done, I turn ads on. So I do have ads on YouTube. But after I'm done. And then on Twitch, I'm pretty sure you don't get any ads because I'm not an affiliate. And I just kind of want to keep it that way. Dorian has more ads in the Sunday sale paper. I was chewing and thought you said I do have ass on YouTube. I mean, accurate. On YouTube, you get a different view. Fritz was taken. There's a different camera if you go to the YouTube. If Dorian would have subscribed to me, then you would have no ads. True. We dove through the archive.org on my website, like just jaseowns.com, just to see what was there. I found an old Flash video of me, and I had a little bit of head, a little bit of head, had a little bit of hair. He's saying off to bed. I was saying hair, off to bed. Anyway, good night. Anyway, Jesus, thanks for stopping by, House Chopper. I appreciate you. Thank you. A little bit ahead. We all like a little bit ahead here. You know, Jesus. I'm turning so red right now. The blue lanterns of the blue hue is not even helping how red I'm turning right now. Anyway. Thanks for stopping by, us Shopper. Appreciate you. Back in the day and now still. This stream's getting spicy. So true. I'm turning purple. Yeah, exactly. Okay. Back to what we were doing. I'm teaching. Let it cook. We let it cook, everybody. So remember, if you know you're going to set the variable to some value, make sure you use the bang. Because if I hit save and play here, look, remember 6 milliseconds. Okay? And we're going to just do a couple examples. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so this is 5 variables. If I hit save and play, 13 milliseconds to set all those. 13. If I get rid of the bangers and I hit save and play, 44 milliseconds. See what I'm saying? And now in the millisecond, does it really matter? No. We're playing a fucking 30-year-old wizard game. Does this really matter? Yes. It fucking matters, okay? We gotta get those pixels as quick as possible. As quickly as possible, we gotta get those pixels. It matters a lot. Pass me that shit you're smoking because it's way better than what I have. I'm unfortunately not smoking nothing. Yeah, Napa Valley vendor. Yeah, contact me ICQ 6294949. Jaseowns@yahoo.com. Andy's over there on archive.org, strolling through. All right, anyway, we gotta bang those variables, boys. Yeah, make sure you bang your variables. I'm pretty sure this is called a bang, right? I don't know. I'm calling it a bang. Hopefully that's the right term. Maybe a bang is this. That's pound. We gotta pound the bangs. You gotta bang and you gotta pound, right? We gotta bang, pound, and then, you know, bracket. Pound, that's a hashtag, sir? Oh, that's true. People call it hashtag. Ugh. Ugh. I'm so old now. She banged. She banged. Oh, she moved. She moved. Alright, anyway. Hopefully this was helpful. I was gonna keep going, but I think I'm done for now. I think we've learned enough. Okay. So how can we make money with scripts? How can we make money with macros? Because it's a Monday and we're making money with macros Monday. It's a money making macro Monday. What can we do? You know? Obviously, we can go into a dungeon. Why am I ejecting? I want to go to a dungeon. I need to actually run this. What am I doing? Ooh, I'm struggle busting right now, everybody. I'm preemptively worried about my my stream tomorrow. Why is your house not decorated inside Jaseowns? Because I don't go in there. I only decorate where you can see. Look. In Eve, we eject from our ships into the capsules. Andy. Okay, I was talking to Andy. Andy he's a very avid Eve player, and he's been really wanting me to play Eve. And so I downloaded Eve like 12 years ago. I made a character, and then I never really played him again. So then I downloaded Eve a few months ago, and I restarted training that character. He wants me to play Eve. So anyway, ever since then, he's constantly telling me all about Eve. So no matter what we're talking about, he brings it back to like a Eve conversation. It's actually hilarious and very funny, and I wish all of our things were recorded, and so we could just have a video of him telling me about Eve. Like, oh yeah, hey, like I had to go to the store the other day, and I had to go pick up some chicken. And then he's like, well, in Eve, we actually call the store a capsule, and you can use capsules to go collect your chicken. And again, that's a made up example, but it's like that shit. Like he constantly is doing that to me, and it cracks me up. So anyway, he just did it. In Eve, we eject from our ships into our capsules when we die. So well done. Keep it up, Andy. I love to hate Eve. Are you Omega? I have no clue what I am, Dorian. What are you, Andy? Are you Omega? This is a pound. That little... Oh, okay. I got you. That little symbol. I wonder what my bot says if I type that in. Let's see what the bot has to say.
Pound.
Yeah, it says pound with that crazy little symbol. Oh, also the wife bot is doing a giveaway.
Send Jaseowns your animal rescue story with a photo to enter the $20 giveaway. We choose a winner Friday wild with WifeBot.
We're gonna have Wild with WifeBot Friday. And you're gonna win $20 if you get chosen. I wish I was giving my dog away. My wife is an animal rescuer. And she has rescued some bees recently. And on Sunday, in order to do the 7-hour stream on Sunday, I was supposed to go help with the bees. So I stepped outside. I faced my fear. I helped with the bees. And then she said, we should do a giveaway if anyone else does rescues of animals. And I said, cool. What do you want to give away? And she said, $20. So send your rescue animal stories to us on Discord. And then we'll pick a winner. And Wild with WifeBot. $20 is $20. You know what I'm saying? $20 is $20. All right, back on task. Back on task. We're gonna make some money. I adopted a 3-legged dog with one eye and had cancer. Do you win? Do you have pictures? Do you have proof? Else no fuego. My favorite story is that time Jace rescued the bees. Yeah. Me screaming. Okay. What were we doing? What were we up to? What's the point of this stream today? We're 42 minutes in. I don't think I've done anything with macros to make money. I might need to update the title. We're banging bars. You were pounding it. That's... I forgot. I'm sorry. I got sidetracked. It's Manual Monday. That's true. We're making macros for making money. Turn off the everything. We were zoomed in on Sunday. I don't know if anybody checked out the stream on Sunday. We turned off the lights. I turned down the lights in the game. We were just running blind. It was actually pretty fun. If you're into that sort of thing. Having fun. Manual Monday. Let's look at macros. I'm gonna click new macro here. We're just gonna explore this together. Making money Monday. Okay. Now, the one thing that I hate about macros is this is not in any order that makes sense. You know, like this is not in alphabetical order. This actually kind of drives me nuts. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna go completely off the rails right now. I'm gonna load a Visual Studio. We're doing this, guys. Visual Studio. Classic UO client. It could not be opened. Why couldn't it be opened? Why can't it be opened? I gotta download it again? Did I undo it? Hold on one second. Git clone. We're gonna go grab it again. Like, 'cause we're just gonna take it from GitHub. Jason, is it actually gonna be that easy? I don't know. We'll see. Where the hell's Classic UO? I'm not the owner. Classic UO. Hold on. I'm gonna see if we can just take it from here. We're gonna just pull it down. We're gonna pull it down and search the solution. We're gonna clone the repo. Git clone. Boom. We're cloning Classic UO because I want to see if we can just find that drop down without having to worry about it. I don't know if this is going to happen or not. We'll see. It's just off the rails. Begging script incoming. Jace, let's get real. I actually spit up. Jace, let's be real. We have never been on a train with rails in the first place. We're like a fucking we're a magnetic train, okay? We are a futuristic train. We're so fast. We're not even ever on the rails. We're like just freaking the slippery slope to reformatting. That's true too. Okay, here we go. We're opening up the solution, the classic UO solution. And now I don't care about any errors. I'm not trying to compile it. I just want to search for one of the options in here to see if we can actually pick it. So like, let's see, open door. Let's just search for open door. Open door. Okay. So we got auto open doors. That's a setting for your profile. We got open doors. We got try open doors. We got macro manager, open doors. Okay, we're getting closer. We're getting closer to figuring out how this works. So these are macro types. So I'm just going to go into the enum of macro types. Oh shit, guys, look. This is the order it's in. None, say, emote, whisper. Let's see if it matches. Let's see if it matches. How the hell do I... Let me pull this up, see if it works here. So none, say, emote, whisper, yell. I can't keep this open. I'm bad at it. Say, emote, whisper, yell, walk, war, peace, paste. Fucking overkill. I love this shit. 2 weeks ago, I searched for stuff in classic UO code 2. Perfect. I'm all over the place. This is great. This is how I want my streams to be. This is actually a lot of fun for me. I don't like making sense. I don't know if you guys know this about me or not, but I'm actually, this is probably the last couple weeks of streaming have probably been the most fun I've had streaming because I'm literally just going any direction. I have the pedal to the metal. It is so all over the place, and I love it. Okay. Anyway, that's the code base. Like, that's the classic client that's public, okay? So if you're interested in looking at some of the code at all, like that's where you would start, right? Now, this isn't Outlands. This just happens to be like the classic client, and it's an open source project. So if you are a coder, you could potentially get into this. This is something that would be on my to-do list, is like help like make this project. But again, I'm not a game dev, and so like a lot of this shit, like I don't know how like the memory storage actually works, right? Like I'm an API developer and I'm a web developer. I'm not a game developer. So I would need to learn about how some of this shit actually works, like how, you know, how you access byte memory and all that kind of shit. Because I have no clue. But it's there. It's all in front of us. So anyway, so to give you an example, like when you look at your macros.xml file, that's what this code is doing, right? It's reading your macros XML file. So inside your game folder, Outlands Classic UO data, and then client, or not client, I'm sorry, profiles. And it's looking for, like here's Jaseowns, this macro XML, right? So this file gets read from this macro manager. Cool. Interesting. Sweet. So the thing that I was trying to get at is this macro type. And I just kind of wanted to see what our options were. And I really would like to like organize them in a way we could read them easier. And the only other thing too is like, again, Outlands has its own copy of Classic UO. So this, you know, this doesn't mean this is all the options, and this doesn't mean this is what it's on Outlands, but it gives us an example, right? So like close all health bars. I have that one already as a macro over here. Let me see here. Where is it? All names? No. Where the hell is it? I want to give you an example of I already have it. Maybe I don't on this character. Maybe it's on my other Jaseowns. These are all bow commands, blah. Okay. Maybe I'm silly. All right, I'm silly. Never mind. Scripts suck. So anyway, when you select say, let's go back to Make It Monday. If I select say, it has this little command, but there's other ones, right? And so we want to do like use skill, and then it drops down something. So let's see what use skill does inside the code. Use skill. Okay, and what I can do is I can go into this definition, and then I can right click here and I can say find all references. And so this will show me everywhere where the code is using this like specifically. This doesn't mean these are all the references. These are just like all the hard-coded references of it using skill. So you can kind of see how it's like, all right, use skill. And now, being a programmer, something that I want to learn, I would like to know how to quickly see what function this is in. And right now, the way I do that is scroll up. I'm sure if you know how to like just navigate directly to the function name or make it pop up, please let me know. Right? Because I want to know where are we in here? You know, is it showing this? Process. Is this the function name? Process? I didn't know that it showed in here. If the function name is process, that's going to be great. Oh, kids are getting yelled at. It is process. Okay, cool. Today I learned. Anyway. You can double click the indent line so they collapse. Ooh, that's a good little secret there. Thank you. I do that in Visual Studio Code. I didn't think I could do that here. I mean, I've always clicked like I haven't clicked the line, right? I've always clicked these. Visual Studio sucks. The sticky header, yeah. I technically could have opened this in Visual Studio Code, I guess. Anyway, so I wanted to see what it did with use skill. And this is actually just executing the skill. I want to see how we actually like set up a macro. Submenu type. Okay, so submenu type of 1, 2, or 0. So a submenu type 2 must be this, because this is just like a text box. And then a submenu type 1 is this guy. So what else uses that? Cast spell. Let's see what cast spell does. Sorry, I'm just learning. I'm using you guys to learn, okay? I'm trying to teach you, but I'm also trying to teach myself. Let's get real. I'm actually just trying to teach myself, and you guys are along for the ride. The best way you learn is by just throwing yourself into the pool. You passed it, it's up top. Oh, there it is, cast spell. Okay, so this is clumsy. So like I want to know where this comes from. I'm just curious. I was hoping to see like an easy way to see like submenu. This is macro object. Submenu type is 1. Okay, but I want to know like what you can actually write into that. One of my kids just went, ooh. Slightly scared me. Slightly made me laugh. This isn't where I park my car. Yes, it is. All right. We're gonna close that down for now. Again, what I was hoping to do was to just review all our options. Making money Mondays, teaching you Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio, yeah. So we're investigating on having scripts make macros and then use that. Yeah, pretty much. I hate the fact that this is like a drop-down bullshit. And I was kind of hoping that we could just go ahead and like edit the XML. What I was really hoping to do was just edit the XML directly from here. You know what I'm saying? So like let's go down to scripts suck. Scripts suck. Okay? So script sucks inside of our macro XML is the code of 1, subcode of 0. So this is like the code of 1 is say, subcode 0, I have no clue what that is. The submenu type is 2, we just discovered that. And then the text is focused aggression. Okay? So this kind of makes sense to me because again, the code, if you look at code over here, is this making sense to anybody? Does this even matter? No, but I'm having fun. Leave me alone. Leave Jace alone. So macro type say is 1, right? So see how it says macro type? Can you guys see that? Can you see that on the screen there? I pointed at it like you guys could see it. I need like a way to highlight my screen. Like maybe with a mouse or something. Perfect. Now we understand what you're trying to do. You just start with that. Okay, so yeah, I probably should have opened this file first. Shine the blue light on it. Yeah. So the code is 1. The subcode is 0. I still don't know what subcode is. That's okay though. Submenu type is 2, and then the text is focus aggression. Alter ego. We love you, Jaseowns stream. What's up? Good looking, dude. We're so deep in the weeds. We were talking about being a train, but we've never had wheels before, and now we're in the weeds. I'm about to hoverboard this shit. It's great. I'm down with being deep in the weeds. Damn it. Bet you are. Damn it. Anyway, we're trying to make money with macros. And in order to make money with macros, I didn't want to have to select something out of a dropdown. I wanted to just make my macros in the XML file. Is that silly? Probably. We've been banging VARs and getting a little head. That's true. That's true. That's how we got here? Yeah, that's how we got here. Again, the whole point of the stream is to stream, you know? And you guys are just along for the ride, wherever it goes, you know? If anybody has a question, let me know. We could derail this whole thing right now if you ask me the right question and my brain goes, that sounds nice. Let my brain go into that. I'm feeling rich with knowledge already, so it's working. Fisticuffs. I like it. Did you steal one of the kitchen lights? This gross white light is sus. What are you talking about? The one like right behind me? I don't know how to change that one. If you could change that one, great. But that's the light strip that's like hung up here that fell like 8 times. I'm glad you're rich with knowledge. I appreciate that. Velociraptor, you love these streams. Perfect. Can you make a global timer, or are they bound to the script lifespan? No, every timer is global. So no matter what you do, like if you set a timer here, like so for example, we set this timer, Jace subscribe earlier, although I did log off. Anyway, if we hit save and play here, it's outputting this timer as 13. And then we output this timer like in another script somewhere else, it will totally still be there. If I just go to this other one and I say, you know, I pop it out over here, it exists. And timers will continue to grow. So you're telling me that I have timers that are using like 1 kilobyte of memory? Yeah, if you, I mean, you know, it's a single value and it might stop at some point. I'm not 100% sure. But see how it's just it will just keep going. Now, if I save this and then I leave the game, you know, like I did last time. If I quit the game and that's it, and then I go back, do you think it will be there? Do you think it will output the timer? Let me know in the chat. If you does the timer still exist? All I did was log off. Do you think the timer's still there? 1 for yes, 2 for no. Or you could say yes or no, it's all good. Do you think the timer's still there? No, the light in the kitchen must be a Philips light because it was yellow warm light until now. Which kitchen light? Oh, yeah. You're talking about there's a lamp. One of the lamps is on this same thing, I think. WifeBot. One of the lights that was in my office is now in the kitchen lamp. So when we're fucking with these lights, it's messing with the kitchen. Sorry, WifeBot. I'll replace the bulb. All right, we're gonna hit play. We're gonna see if this timer exists. Save and play. Boom. It's still there. Look, guys, it's still there. So the timers. Have you ever had your game crash? Have you ever had your thing not work correctly? It's probably because you have a timer that's been running for like 88,000 years. It's time we unset our timers, guys. Hashtag unset timers. How do you get rid of a timer, Jace? You just say unset. No, you don't say unset timer. You say cleared. Remove timer, Jace. God damn it. Remove timer. Jaseowns. Subscribe timer. Because you guys ran out of time. If I hit save and play here, it says timer not found. Timer not found. Okay. We're gonna set it back to 0 here. Now, if I play this and then I like completely quit the game, if I'm quitting the game because Outlands is, I'm done. I'm playing a different game now. Does that variable still exist? The answer is no. It's literally just the memory of this thing. Where was that? AOX Prime, boom. Save and play. Not found. Okay, Pimp Daddy Cool is spamming with just all caps saying, how do I make a script that speaks all hail Script Daddy every time your name appears on my screen? Unfortunately, we can't do that, Pimp Daddy Cool. Because you can't find type on a player, you can't get label on a player. So unfortunately, not possible. Actually, I lied. I lied to you. This is a great tangent. Look, this is my cereal. Pimp Daddy. We're gonna say new. We're gonna call this one Script Daddy Finder. Okay? I am going to if find type dagger backpack as item. D-click item. Wait for target. Target this thing. End if. If I hit save and play here, it runs. Because I'm the character. We're going to just save this. This is called Script Daddy. Okay. We're going to log in to another character. Nicole is our target. If I come over here and I come back down to the Script Daddy script and I hit save and play, you can't use a bladed item on that. That target is too far away. Let's see if it says too far away or something else. Play. It just keeps up the cursor. Script Daddy not found. If target exists. If not, target exists. Oh my golly gee willikers. Wait, what? This I'm cooking. I'm cooking right here. If I save and play, Script Daddy not found. Okay, then we need to say else overhead. We found Script Daddy. He's back from the store with milk. Oh my golly gee willikers. Script Daddy's not oh my god. Clip it. Clip it. We did it. Pimp Daddy cool. Obviously it's spamming the shit out of trying to use a dagger. Clip it and ship it. I mean, did we just become PKs? My brain is spinning right now. Script Daddy is Heisenberg. Daddy's bringing home the bacon. Say my name. Script Daddy. Hey Jace, does this still work if you have a disguise kit on? Wait, does this try to find someone by name? No, this tries to find someone by their... I feel like I think we just broke the game, guys. Because, for example, it's trying to target my cereal. But what we could do is oh god. Okay, so I'm hitting save and play here. We found Script Daddy. Let's go ahead and hide on Jaseowns. Let's see if we can still get found. I'm assuming we won't be found. I'm assuming it won't work. Where the hell's hide? There it is. Okay, Script Daddy not found. Okay, that's good. So Script Daddy's not found. And again, is this oops. Is this... how's that? Is this perfect? No. What was I trying to do? Detect hidden. Play. Found the script daddy. Anyway. What if you hide as well? Oh, I see what you're saying. Like, what if I hide? Can I still find the character? Save and play. This is why we can't have nice things, guys. This is why scripts get disabled, okay? Didn't I say to try to do this before with bandages or something, Andrew? We've talked about it. Incoming, you've been banned. Owen is angry. I did something like that. You can detect when people are invisible with that shit as long as you get the serial of the item they have. So you used to be able to find type, like if they were wearing something, you used to be able to actually find something on the character. They disabled that. So I can't actually find, you can't find my serial and you can't find type of an item, right? You can't, well, I mean, maybe you can. Can you? Like if I look at these gloves. So these are Jaseowns gloves. What are we doing? We're off the rails now. Pimp Daddy Cool's ruining the game. You have to find this thing. Overhead. We found Jace's gloves. I mean, it will work, right? No, it won't. Okay. See, that won't work. Because if we're trying to find something, it won't search a player. Right? So if I drop these gloves on the ground and then play this script over here, then it will work. No, it won't. What the fuck? Oh, because I gotta give it a source. Any hue, any quantity within like a range of 12. If I save and play this, so that works. Let me put it back on my guy. I don't think this works anymore because the source is no longer ground. The source is a player. And I can't find type of a player because they disabled this. So you used to be able to like find type on a player. Would a lead item have the same serial as the rest of the UO world? I mean, yeah, no serials match. Every item is unique. So like, every time you see a serial, like that's the serial. Now, if you have a stack of something and then the stack changes, it may change the serial, right? Like, so when I say it's unique, like 100%, that's only for like items itself. Like if you have a stack of band-aids, that serial will change based on which serial consumed which serial. I don't know how that works. I'm sure we could find it in the code, but I'm not gonna look. What a save, but unironically today. All right, anyway. That's interesting. I like the, we found script daddy. Cereal eats cereal. Did I mention I was drunk? I'll even make it so you can change the player. This is a premium script, guys. You got to pay to get this one, okay? A premium script, Jace? What the hell? Why? Why would you do such a thing? That's rude. Yeah. It is. I don't have ads on my stream. I gotta make money somehow, okay? How do you get into the premium script thing? I don't know. You subscribe. You like and subscribe. And then you get this premium new post, and you'll get some premium scripts that are only available if you pay. Don't worry, one day they'll be on the website for everybody. For now. Lion script that. Sorry, I'm posting it. Because if you're a premium member, you get to take advantage of this right now. Sell out. True. Okay. All right, we're off the rails. What were we doing? Banging, pounding, hashtagging, coding, macroing, finding, talking, blue, purple, Angry Beard. By the way, are you a bot, Angry Beard? You followed. I don't remember you saying anything, but thank you for the follow. What a collaboration. Anyway, so what I was thinking is when we talked about this, like technically, I wonder if I could use that better in like my PK getaway script to like know if they're around. You know, I'm trying to think of like, how can I, oh, by the way, guys, if you join the Discord channel, look, I'm not gonna lie, this felt good. He said in the game that scripting was bad and then he attacked me. I hit 2 on my keyboard and then I manually drank a strength pot. Got him. I got him. Now, did I really kill him? No, monsters killed him, but I survived the monsters and he didn't. So, you know? Scripting's bad. Scripting saves lives. Scripting kills lives. Screenshot, since you killed a 1v1, that's that's true. Screenshotter, it didn't happen. Guess what? I got screenshots. All right, we're gonna move on. Back to making a macro making Monday money making money macro. A manual money macro making money Monday. Hey Jace, thanks. I will subscribe. That's a good name of a script. Thank you. Thanks for subscribing, guys. You're so sweet. English much? No. That's a good idea. As soon as you see a PK, drink a strength and magic pot. Yeah, you definitely want to drink up a strength pot. I've learned that because they get you low, and then I don't have any magic resist, so like I pretty much insta die. And the nice thing about if you pop a strength pot at the right point, then your bandage starts sooner. So as the combo hits, you survive. Who knew? Who knew that's how PvP worked? Owned by monsters and Jace. Okay. Let's bring this hoverboard down. Let's put the wheels back on the bus. What kind of macros can you make to make money, Jace? Like honestly, what you can do is you could become a lumberjacker. You could become a freaking miner, and you really just need one key. That's what we're gonna do. Monday, money making Monday. What the hell are you gonna do, Jace? You just go down here, and then you do. Oh, I have no clue. I'm just making this shit up. I'm assuming we could use item in hand. Is that an option? Use item in hand. Money making Monday. We're gonna bind this to O on our keyboard. I mean, it should be M, but M's gonna suck me through a gate. So we're gonna say O. Lie. Now, Jace, it doesn't do anything. Wait, what the hell? Add it. What the hell? Oh, I have O bounce. I bound to something greater than hotkeys. What the hell? What do I have O as? Evil Fire Blades bags testing. Let's see what that's about. Evil Fire Blades bags. Move leather sets into bags. When did I do that? We're gonna unset the hockey. In 1999? Probably. Move leather sets into bag. We made that in June 2023. O's for Owens. Oh, Owen's here. O for Owen. Owen, I just made a suggestion that we have fruity basket headwear. I don't think I'm totally alone in this. Just letting you know again. Better watch out for him. Owen, thanks for stopping by. We just made a script that you probably don't want to see, so you might want to look away. Just kidding. We're actually making money Monday macros. Owen needs to finish the Path Guild Hall. And this is how you make money. Use item in hand. So, I'm on the wrong character. But we're gonna log into this character right here. I'm gonna remake that macro. Just so you guys see. Go to macros. You say new macro, and it will say money. We'll just call it money on this character. And then we're just gonna scroll down because this fucking order doesn't make any sense. Use item in hand. Bound to O on the keyboard. Save and play. Oh. Why isn't it working? Does it not work? Did I not hit save? Oh, you gotta click this little checkbox, guys. I didn't click the checkbox. Oh. 488. Boom. Look. This is how you make money. You go into the forest. And I'm just hitting O. I am just spamming. I'm actually just holding down O on the keyboard. I'm literally holding down O. Look how much money we're making. We got 9 ore going on. We're just spamming O. If there's more ore here. Wait, Jace, you're by trees. I know. Oh. You can sometimes mine ore from trees. Just kidding. There's these rocks down here. There's little rocks. But anyway, look, if you want to make money, you just need this macro. Use item in hand. Wait a minute. I wonder if we could get locked out of harvesting with this. Because they stopped scripts from running, but did they stop macros from running? Hold on. Oh, and if you're here, don't ban me. This is my miner bot. We're gonna... oh, excuse me, I just coughed right in your ear. We're going to make some money. We're gonna use use item in hand. Where the hell is it? Use item in hand. Apply. Oop, I gotta bind it to O. Base apply. Okay, boom. So this popped up. If I hit O again, oh shit. Oh shit. Okay. You got Owen. You stopped scripts, but you didn't stop hotkeys. What if I don't want to use scripts? I'm just sitting here. Maybe I put a little thing on my keyboard to make it hit O. Oh. 532. Oh, and trying to figure out where to park the Outlands yacht. Okay, so you see Owen spam and wait to perform another action. Yeah, this is him right here. Anyway. This is the only macro you technically need to become Who Wants to Be a Millionaire. This is it, guys. Okay. I was trying to think if we can use an item in a, like, can we use items? Use skill, last skill, cast spell, last object, bow salute, quick game, all names, last target, target self, arm disarm, wait for target, target next, attack last, delay, circle of transparency, close gump, always run, save desktop, kill gump open, primary ability, second ability, equip last weapon, modify update range, blah blah blah, default update range, blah blah blah, select next, select previous, use selected target, current target system off, buff icon, badges self, bandage target, toggle gargoyle fly, hashtag, is it coming? Toggle chat visibility, toggle auto run, R off, grab item, use item in hand, close all health bars, razor macro, toggle, alternate lights, dark nights, light, blah blah blah. I was just trying to see if we could use the item. I don't think we can. I was trying to see if we could make this even better, and it like tries to smelt from the client, but it doesn't. But guys, it's not scripts. Can you re-enable? What you talking about? All right, I'm gonna Control Shift O here. We're gonna go farm just a teeny bits. Control Shift Owen. We hit it on the keyboard. I'm gonna click my Palma recall button. We're in here. Now I'm just gonna say all guard me, and then I'm gonna hit X on the keyboard. So X is a macro. So if I go to here and I search for X, it's actually attack closest. I'm gonna post these to the Discord, guys, because I'm helpful. I'm a helpful macro money making Monday money. Look. Boom. Those are in the Discord. My Discord is literally me just posting screenshots. Please join. X on the keyboard. See, we just instantly attacks. Oh, the other one I could do is the actual focus aggression one. Macros. One's called script suck. I'm gonna bind this to O on the keyboard. Combination already exists. Okay, just kidding. Can I do V on the keyboard? V. I'm just dropping these inside of the Discord. So if I hit V on the keyboard, I'm gonna steal that guy's kill, so I won't do it. Am I missing a pet? I sure am. Can you run a script while a capture prompt? you could like, so they just recently did it where the scripts turn off. So I have scripts that like handled the CAPTCHA code popping up. But they recently made a change where it like literally turns off your script when the CAPTCHA pops up. If you reactivate your hotkey, then it will fuck up. But yeah, the current Outlands implementation is to turn off any scripts that are running during the CAPTCHA pop-up. If that makes sense. You've been in combat. You recently to claim a follower. Give it to me. Give me little Jetto. Thank you. Popping right back into Palma. I'm gonna hit V on the keyboard. Again, what's V do? This is just a macro. Look, I'm not even running a script, guys. Okay, it doesn't work. Why is it not working? I had to click. That's weird. V on the keyboard. I ran into a bug. Scripts greater than macros confirmed. Just kidding. I just got a. It's got a thing. What is that? Bronzewood lumber map. Oh. I'm not running any scripts right now. This is just macro Monday. We're an hour and 30 minutes into the stream and we did it. We're making money. We're making money with macros. Jace, is there a way that we could heal our pet from a macro? That's a great question. And one that we're going to discover together. I would like these to pop over here, please. V on the keyboard. Technically, in the macro option here, let's say new. Let's say bandage. There is a bandage target. So select nearest creature, follower, visible nameplate. Use bandage? Is there a bandage? I'm just making shit up as we go, guys. This is me learning. Don't you want to be taughtin'? Bandage target. Let's see. Let's see. Boom. It's targeting Jetto there. I'm gonna hit all guard me. Okay, so it does whoever's nearest. But you could potentially heal your pet with a macro. I'll post that in the Discord too. I'm teaching you guys. I'm dropping knowledge. Boom. If you're like, script sucks, Jace, now you have no excuse. Maybe you play a server that has shit disabled. Maybe there's not script options in the future where we live. Then you just do it on here. I wonder if you can use vet supplies. I think you can, right? Can't you just say vet supplies? Isn't it like a hotkey or something? Isn't it a command? Let's go to help real quick. Commands. Is there like a use vet supplies command? Mechanics. Is it mechanics? What is it? Help me. Tell me. probably like veterinary supplies, something I don't know how to spell. Focus aggression. Is there a say command for using vet supplies? Holy shit. Okay. Look at us. New. Vet supplies. Look, we're learning all together. I'm posting that in the Discord. Boom. Bandage. Vet supplies. Scripts suck. We're doing it, guys. We're out here playing the game like it's meant to be played in 2024. I was gonna say 2023. Is there a way to show hotkeys over spell icons if you have them hotkeyed? I think there is. If you go... They've added all these new options and I haven't really messed with them. Where the hell is it? There's a way to do that. Maybe it's only in the beta client, but I've seen it where like the macros show your hotkeys. I've seen people post a screenshot of that shit. Does anyone know where that option is? I'm just gonna utilize you guys. You tell me. Is it interface maybe? Display, there we go. Okay, Alt-O, interface, display macro, hotkey on icons, apply. Shit, about to die. If I only had a script. So here, you can see, here's mine. Alt-O, or Alt-0, close health. W is all follow. See? D is all guard me, and it doesn't happen to have a key there. Jaseowns has advanced to macro daddy. Okay, so look, my pet just died right here, and I can use my little bandage hotkey, and it's gonna res him. Oh my god, we don't need scripts anymore, guys. We've done it. We've done it. Yay. You guys are free. You no longer need to use macros. I mean, scripts. I'm sorry, what we do? We went back in the past to only end up in the future. We're in 1999 right now. But we're in 2024. I'm sorry, what? Welcome to the stream. We've learned a lot today. We've done quite a bit. We've squirreled pretty damn hard. We survived Y2K. Look, I'm using macros. I'm not even using scripts, guys. We're using macros in the game. I posted all of these to the Discord. So if you want to see them all, you can join the Discord and grab all these macros because you're like, script sucks, Jace. I'm going to have to say I agree. This is it. I'm hanging up my shoes. I'm hanging up my shoes. I wear boots. We're going to kill all the gories. I'm gonna have to Sherburns. I'm gonna have to go play Runes 9/11. We'll have to have a chase. Okay. Maybe pocketed some loot. We'll have to go get some El Holtz. Elsdor Fuego? Maybe we'll go check out some Pimp Daddy Cools. Okay, which macros did you make? I pasted them all, but this we have a script sucks, a bandage, and a vet supplies. We also have the money making hotkey. If you want to make money, only using macros. This is all you need. This is it. This is your most money making macro you'll ever use. I bound it to O for only the thing you need to use. And then you equip a mining pick. We did it together on stream. I use the item in my hand often. Wink. Same. Okay, this one might be a little spicy, but we're gonna jump right in. Boom. We're hitting the vet supplies hotkey. Or not even hotkey. It's just, it's literally not even bound. We're gonna go step over here, and then we're gonna hit script suck. And it's gonna get this sunken sorcerer. Oh, we're dying. We out here dying. Vet supplies. Ugh. Vet supplies. Bandage. All guard me. We're focusing. I clicked focus aggression on that guy. We're gonna do a vet supplies. We're playing the game, everybody. We out here. Playing the game in 2024. Nothing but the best for my stream. You know? Jace, what's that cool hue you have in real life? It's my lantern. My IRL lantern. Oops, I didn't loot that chest piece. There we go. Got 2 chest pieces. What are the chances of getting 2 tunics? Anyway, the other macro you can make is a rope one. New macro. Rope. Say. Rope. Okay? And then the other one we can make is a potion heal pot. And then we could say, I don't know if we can actually do a heal pot or not. Is there a use potion? Use potion. A confusion blast potion? What the fuck is that? Heal potion. Look at us. Heal pat. You're already at full health. It looked like it worked though. Bandage. The bandage heals our nearest pet. Oh my god, guys. I'm gonna put these in the Discord. You have a Discord, Jace? I sure should do. And I'm spamming the shit out of it. Macros. Anyway, heal pot, rope, vet supplies, a bandage, our nearest creature. Money making Monday. Scripts suck. Man. Why is that deep color red? I'm gonna hit D on the keyboard. We're out here playing the game. Just kidding, I'm gonna hit 1 on the keyboard because I'm all done playing. We're letting Jace take the wheel. Oh, that's much better. Now I don't have to click anything. We did it. We got 15 minutes left in the stream. We're gonna macros suck unless they're point to a script. So true. Speaking of that, how do you get how the hell did you set up your Palma script, Jace? Well, it's say script ultimate utility recall dungeon Palma. You know? So there's that. If you want to execute a script, this is what you do. Hell, I'll post that in the Discord too. We just out here posting all sorts of... I'm spamming the shit out of the Discord. Look, come join me. At live. We're scheduling a stream. Making money Monday. We're 4 streams in a row. I'm going to try to go for 5 streams in a row. I normally stream every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 7 to 9. But I have a new challenge for myself and for the community. I'm going to try to stream every day. What? Every day, Jace? Every day. Every day. Until I don't. We're going to see what kind of hot streak I can get on. The text on your side monitor coming out of your mouth looks funny? Yeah. 100% intentional. Here it comes again. So you posted the actual Puma button script? I mean... Can I get sick of you 4 more times a week? Yeah. I'm gonna try to stream every day. Now, this means that Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 7 to 9 is the WifeBot approved, family understood time I'll be gone. So if I'm gonna be streaming every day, I'm gonna need to sacrifice some sleep, either by getting up early or staying up late after everyone's asleep. So these are the sacrifices that I'm gonna make so that we can do the little challenge, a little challenge to ourselves to see if we could stream every day. My schedule will stick. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 7 to 9. But tomorrow, I'm debating on either getting up early or staying up late tomorrow. Because tomorrow's a Tuesday. Just so you know. New challenge, a weekly video too. You're not supposed to change too much at once, Blickety. I've read articles about that. But that maybe that's what I do. Maybe I go live of me recording of a video, what the hell am I trying to say? You know? Maybe I just do, like, that's part of my stream. My stream will be, you get to sit with me as I make the YouTube video. Kind of like we did today. Not gonna lie, the start of the video today is pretty much, I've learned a lot for the YouTube video I want to make. Because I tried to describe it to you guys, and I realized I didn't know what the fuck I was talking about. Now, macros for a dext. A bar dext. I mean, we could do that. Like, look, you could go like this. You can go macros. Where the hell's macros? Macros. Okay. We'll say new. We'll say barred in game. We'll say use skill. No, wait. Yes, we'll say use skill. I gotta stop my macros here. Use skill. Like, let's say we are Discord enhanced, right? So use skill, where the hell is it? Discord enhanced. Add. And then we'll say target. Airman. Hello. I'm going to apply real quick. I just want to see what I'm doing with this script stock one. Select nearest hostile creature, hostile last target. So I think that's what I need to do. I need to select nearest creature, hostile. Then do you... Yeah, okay. We'll wait for target. And then we'll say add. And then we'll say select. Isn't this a great system? Select nearest creature, hostile, add. Last target. Boom. I'm a bard now. This is it. The bard in-game button. Do you guys think this is gonna work? No, because I need to click an instrument first. But we're gonna click it anyway. What instrument shall you play? So I can't handle that. But we should be able to see. How come this shit's on the ground? Was this on the ground the whole time? Like, why are you leaving essence behind? Also, the problem with my YouTube video uploads is I want them to be better. I want them to be good. I want them to be better than the one I did before. And some of them are like, I feel so good about, and then I go to make another one, I'm like, this is shit. That is too far away. Oh shit, I'm getting murdered here. Bart. That is too far away. Why is it thinking it's too far away? Maybe I need to move this around. Maybe I can just do last target here. Okay, so my last target is this Lancer, and now if I do Bard in game... I mean, I'm not a Bard, so maybe... I don't know what it's doing. I don't think it's working, though. Was that Kazuma? Are we about to get approached by a theft? And I don't think I'm pretty sure he just smoke bomb. That means he's here. Ah! Also, I don't have my aspect on all the way. Yeah, chug refresh. I just stepped on him. I don't have any explosion pots. I would totally throw an explosion pot right now. I know Kazuma is Kazumin. Let's see what kind of loot we got. He's probably like standing right here, right next to me. He's gonna steal my map. Oh, there's a skill scroll. He's probably gonna get that. A mining skill scroll. Let's go. That guy's gray up there. I'm just gonna dipset out of the Duncan. Emblem. I looted a loot. I need that thing. Too bad, it's going into the box. Alright, we got a few more minutes on the stream. I feel like this was a successful stream. I'm gonna need to decide what I'm doing tomorrow. If you'd like to enter a giveaway, feel free to type something into the chat. We'll do 1K per entry because I didn't farm a lot. For being the farming stream, I didn't really farm very good. So I got all my codexes and a few skill orbs. What should you be working on now, says Chad Myers. I think you should be working on literally playing the game. Congratulations, you won. You know what I'm saying? It's like when you get max level in WoW, like what do you get to do now? You get to play the game. You know? Like just play. Just kidding, I don't know. Like whatever, what do you think? What do you want to do, Chad? Like what's your favorite thing about the game? Like what do you think? Because for me, it's chasing this pixel. This thing right here. This mastery chain. Just humping these numbers up. You know? You want your bank account to go up? You want your numbers to go up? Well done outrunning Kazuma. Yeah, exactly. Got out of there. I was like... First time watching, but I love your scripts. Hey, man, thanks for saying that. Something by saying hey. Is it Strad 951? Let's ask the bot. Hey bot, how do I say this name?
Strahd 951.
Say the joke.
Strahd 951 because Strahd 950 was taken.
Well done. Well done, bot. Anyway, yeah, some people like to deco, some people like to get the... Who's the ultra? Do you have a good video on mastery chains? I do not. I don't know shit about shit when it comes to mastery chains, but Lone Star probably does. I want a big house. Gilgory coming in with the exclamation mark wins. Okay, let's do this. We got 23k participants. That means we're gonna give away 23k. It's not a lot of money, guys, okay? But we didn't really make a lot of money. Leave me alone. Leave Brittany alone. I don't know why I always think about that meme. Ah, all right, Code Cave. $21,000 gold. Look, I'm approaching under 5 mil. I just joked about like last stream how I was over 5 mil, and now I'm gonna be under 5 mil. Damn it. All right, we're gonna hit save and play. Then we're gonna do another one right after this. Save and play. We're gonna do this giveaway. Odds. Doing Jaseowns giveaway. Toot toot. Who's gonna win this loot? A bank check for 21. Oh, it was supposed to be 23. It's supposed to be 23,000 gold. Sorry. L Holt. You're the winner. L Holt, you're the winner on the tube. Winner. L Holt. You pay to play, and you've won. 43 entries, 1 win. Let me fix the check, though. It needs to be for 23k. I lied to you. And so now we're going to do another one. You can go ahead and tell me your character name this time. On Sunday, we did a dark stream where everything was completely dark. I turned off all nameplates and everything, and then you had to describe your character. It was kind of fun. If you're into that sort of thing, having fun. Where the hell was it? A whelp is hitting us up with a wilderness lantern. We were doing it like this. And you had to come to me in the darkness. I almost said something way worse than what I just said. Oof. Dodged a bullet there. Anyway, you had to meet me in the darkness. And then describe your outfit. If we want to do that right now, we can. I think that's a great idea. I'm assuming this is UL Holt. But we're gonna find out. Describe your outfit to us. A fancy dress. Boom. Congratulations, Holt. You're the winner. All right, we're gonna do another giveaway. Boom. This is gonna be for a lantern. This wilderness lantern. Provided by Chase K, aka a whelp. And 21k. We're gonna do a lantern, a wilderness lantern, and 21k. You get both. How do you enter, Jace? You just type into the chat. If you ask me that in the chat, you get in. Now, the secret is when you get here, you have to describe who you are. I don't want to know your character name. I don't want to know any of that. I want you to come to the code cave and describe your character. If you do a bad job describing your character, or if you look very similar, if you look very similar to someone, then you potentially are going to get the loot. So the more people that come to the cave and make it harder for the person that wins, the more chances you have of winning. Should we bring a light? You can if you want. We're sitting here in the dark. We out here in the dark. It's a dark stream. We're trying to figure out who's gonna win the giveaway for a wilderness lantern and 21k. Which, speaking of that, why the hell is my light... Why is my lantern not more... Why is it so dark? Because it got nerfed, guys. It got nerfed. It's January, not October. You know what's funny? I'm gonna do things that make no sense. Like stream every day. 40 participants. People like a lantern. People don't want gold, they want items. I get it, guys. Okay, I get it. I understand. Okay? I'm sorry. I'll stop giving away gold. Alright, we're gonna hit save and play. Good luck to whoever's gonna win the lantern in 21k. We're doing a Jaseowns giveaway. The game is saving. It's gonna fuck up everything. Toot toot. Who's gonna win this? A wilderness lantern loot. And the winner is YouTube a Disco Duck. So Disco Duck needs to come on down and then somehow tell me which character you are. And we gotta hope for the best. Let's see. A Disco Duck. I mean, you can tell me your character name too, but describe your outfit. And I'm gonna try to drop it on you. Discord in the chat. Oops, that's my Discord link. Sorry about that. It's called stream. If you've enjoyed any of my streams ever in the history of me streaming, this is a stream 187. Hit the like button. If you've ever used a script before, hit the like button. If you think scripts suck, this stream was for you. I made a bunch of macros. Hit that like button. Winner. A Discord duck. It's not Discord, Jace. It's a disco duck. Jesus. I'll be on the gold boy with a snake on your shoulder. Oh shit. Well played. Okay. All right. I got you. I like that you're moving around. I like that you're keeping it spicy. A disco duck. We hit you. Congratulations. 21k and a wilderness lantern. GG. Okay, you guys, I stream every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 7 to 9. But I'm gonna try this crazy challenge of trying to stream every day. So I'll be back tomorrow. But it might be... It's gonna be when the family's not available. So it's either gonna be super early in the morning or late at night. Either way, we're not sleeping. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Maybe in a couple hours. Or maybe in a couple hours plus 12. You never really know. We're going to do one more giveaway. And this giveaway gets to choose where we go. The winner of this giveaway chooses who we raid. We're going to raid based on you winning this giveaway. Okay? You get to choose where we go. This is the new thing. You get to choose, if you win this giveaway, you get to choose where we raid. Raid Shadow Legends. And if you're on YouTube, you can still choose. It just needs to be somebody on Twitch because I got to do the raid button on Twitch. And I think some people have raids disabled, just so you know. Like, so you got to, catch 22, Oh God, my hue's broken again. Look, it's like at least Legetis is not streaming. Thank goodness. Okay, we've hit him up 3 times in a row. Anyway, look, pre-patch, post-patch, pre-patch, post-patch. Some bullshit, Owen. The Poma lantern used to look so good. And if you don't know what I'm talking about this. I posted it here. I posted it way up here. I'm gonna say from, let's see, I'm just gonna go pre-patch. Will it show up? No. Is it pre-patch like this? Look it. This is what I'm talking about. Pre-queue. Look how nice that is. Look how beautiful that is. And then look at it now. You know, this was it when I first got it. That is a good looking lantern. Now, it's all good. Anyway, we got 15 people participating into the where do we go? I'm going to remove JSpot, and I'm going to remove shared chat, and I'm going to remove shared chat. So one of you guys is going to win. Save and play. This is where we get to raid. You're not going to get this item. You're just... you get to choose where we go. Anyway, I'll see you guys tomorrow. But I do stream every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 7 to 9. That's the schedule. Pimp Daddy Cool finally got his wish. What if we win and recommend a non-UO streamer? That is totally fine. Anybody. Pimp Daddy Cool is the winner of the Let's Raid This Person. I'm not going to set you as a winner because I don't need to take you out of the winning pool, but Pimp Daddy Cool, where are we rating? Trailer Park Boys. I have no clue what that is. See you for breakfast in a few hours, exactly. I'm going to stream every day. But the main schedule is Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 7 to 9. That's the approved time from the wife bot. Anyway. I'll see you guys tomorrow. We're going to raid out to the Trailer Park Boys, whatever the fuck that is. Good luck, everybody. I'm sorry in advance. Good luck. Be sure to join the Discord to know when I go live. I'll see you tomorrow.